This isn't just a motivational video. This is for the woman who is tired but still trying. For the one who keeps going even when no one sees how heavy this season feels. If that's you, this message is for you. I didn't create Dream Life Diaries to impress anyone. I created it because I needed a space like this. A space where I didn't have to rush healing. Where I didn't have to pretend everything was okay. Where I could admit I was exhausted and still believe there had to be more than just surviving. If you found this video today, I don't believe it's by accident. I believe something inside you is quietly asking, is this really how my life is supposed to feel? There was a time when my life looked fine from the outside. I was responsible, capable, strong. But inside, I was empty. I learned how to show up, how to keep going, how to carry responsibilities quietly. I smiled in public. I stayed productive. I did what needed to be done. But privately, I was tired in a way sleep couldn't fix. Not because I was weak, but because I had been strong for too long without anyone noticing how tired I was. If this feels familiar, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not lazy. You are not broken. You are not behind in life. You are tired. You are transitioning. You are shedding an old version of yourself that no longer fits. And that season, as uncomfortable as it is not the end of your story. It's the beginning of your rebuilding. Dream Life Diaries is not about overnight success. It's not about hustle. It's not about pretending life is perfect. This channel is for women who are rebuilding their lives, emotionally, spiritually, and intentionally. Women who still believe in faith, still believe in purpose, even when life hasn't gone the way they imagined. Here, we talk about starting over without shame, healing without rushing, and growing without losing your soul. This is a quiet place, a safe place, a place where your season makes sense. I've learned something important. Before anything rises, it first goes through ashes. Before clarity, there is confusion. Before peace, there is discomfort. Before purpose, there is surrender. If your life feels like it's falling apart right now, it may actually be rearranging itself. Not to punish you, but to realign you. You're not failing. You're becoming. If you're watching this and thinking, this feels like me, this feels like my season, then I want you to know you're welcome here. Subscribe to Dream Life Diaries if you're rebuilding your life with faith, courage, and intention. We'll walk this journey together. One season, one lesson, one breath at a time. You don't have to have everything figured out. You just have to keep showing up. Your story isn't over. It's just being rewritten with purpose and with promise.